Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to factory reset iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max. If you're using an iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max or the latest version of iOS, so let's see how can you make a factory reset of your iPhone. For this you just have to open your phone settings and settings. You go for general, then scroll down to the end and here you'll get the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just select it. Here you have some settings which have proper prepared for new iPhone. If you have gotten a new iPhone and now you want to transfer your data, so just select it. But if you want to reset your phone, so you have two options: reset section. You just have to tap on reset, and here you have the first option, which is reset all settings. It will reset your all phone settings, but don't remove your data now. But if you want to make a complete and fresh reset your phone, and in this section you just have to select erase this iPhone, and after that you have to log into your Apple account, and then your iPhone will be completely erased and your all data will be removed. Your all setting will be reset. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.